Imagine a TV that truly understands you. No tiny buttons, no complicated remotes, just effortless entertainment at your command. The Tesla Smart TV 2025 is here to redefine home entertainment. Whether you're unwinding with your favorite classic movies, video calling family in crystal clear quality, or controlling your entire smart home from the couch, this TV brings cutting-edge technology right to your fingertips. But what makes the Tesla Smart TV 2025 a game changer? And how does Elon Musk plan to revolutionize the way we experience television? Stick around as we break it all down. Tesla's strategy isn't just about hardware. It's about creating an entire ecosystem. Introducing the XTV app, a dedicated video platform seamlessly integrated into Tesla's smart network. This means exclusive live streams, Tesla event coverage, and even Musk's latest tech updates, all in one place. And it doesn't stop there. With real-time interactivity, users can comment on live streams, participate in polls, and engage with Tesla's community, all directly from their TV screens. It's not just about watching, it's about being part of the conversation. Here's where it gets even more exciting. Experts predict the Tesla Smart TV 2025 will launch at just $180, a fraction of the cost of high-end smart TVs from brands like Samsung, Sony, and LG. And for those who crave even more, Tesla is rumored to be developing premium models featuring 16K resolution, advanced AI capabilities, and superior audio systems. Pre-orders are expected to begin in late 2025, with full availability rolling out between 2026 and 2027. But early adopters will get access to exclusive AI beta updates and special Tesla integrations before the mass market. One of the biggest complaints about modern smart TVs? Complicated menus and clunky remotes. Tesla's solution? Say goodbye to remotes entirely. With Tesla's AI-powered voice control, simply say, "Tesla, play my favorite show," and the TV responds instantly. This natural language processing system makes commands feel more like a conversation than a robotic input, ensuring a seamless user experience. But it doesn't stop at voice commands. Tesla's AI-driven recommendation engine learns from your viewing habits, suggesting content based on your tastes, time of day, and even mood. No more endless scrolling, just instant access to what you love. Accessibility is key. Tesla's auto-captioning system provides real-time subtitles with over 98% accuracy, perfect for those with hearing impairments. Larger text options and customizable brightness settings also ensure a comfortable viewing experience for all users. And if that wasn't mind-blowing enough, Tesla is already hinting at potential Neuralink integration. Imagine controlling your TV purely with your thoughts. No speaking, no remotes, just seamless brain-to-screen interaction. While still in early testing, Neuralink has already demonstrated a 95% accuracy rate in interpreting brain signals. The future of entertainment? It's closer than you think. But why stop at entertainment? The Tesla Smart TV also doubles as the ultimate home hub, fully integrating with your Tesla vehicle. Check your car's battery status, preheat or cool your Tesla with a simple command, and even access live dash cam footage, all from your living room. Your entire smart home, controlled from your TV. Adjust lighting, change thermostat settings, and even monitor security cameras. Tesla's AI learns your preferences and automates everything for a truly effortless living experience. Stay connected like never before. With built-in HD cameras and noise reduction technology, Tesla Smart TV makes video calling effortless. No extra devices needed. Crystal clear visuals, simple interface, and hands-free operation mean even the least tech-savvy users can stay in touch with loved ones. Tesla is not just building a TV, they're revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. From AI-powered content curation to seamless integration with your home and vehicle, the Tesla Smart TV 2025 is more than just a screen. It's the future of entertainment. What do you think? Is Tesla's AI-powered smart TV the future of home entertainment? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates as Tesla continues to push the boundaries of innovation.